Alright, good morning folks. We're just showing you some of the progress that we got going on. So the fence is almost done. You gotta finish the other side over there, and then we gotta fill this little gap in with a piece of wood. It's looking awesome. It's like super private. It's got the boards right up next to each other, and then we added another board on top. So yeah, super private. Costs a lot more because wood is not cheap right now, folks. And then the shed, I think we'll have that done today, hopefully. And we got the back gate over there, and this part of the fence done. I had to trim some of the tree away from the little patio fence. That's gonna be getting painted. Then we're gonna be tearing this deck out, starting, I don't know, in a day or two. Hopefully if this other stuff gets done. Yeah. It's looking nice though. Can't wait to get this done, throw all the stuff from the garage in there. And then this is done. We're adding a little piece down there to block some of that. Only thing left in the fence is this section. Having issues because it slopes, right? So we were putting one of them barn gates on it that had wheels, but I think we're just gonna do like a breakaway. Like put the rest of the fence over here and here, and then this part will like be a breakaway that you can just take out real easy instead of a fence. We just wanted the fence, in case more workers and machines had to come back here, but we're just put the breakaway part. I don't know, we're figuring out what to do today. But hopefully it will be done today. And then we can get started on the deck. Can't wait to get the deck done. Can't wait to have my yard back. Alright, see y'all later. Bye!